My name is Ross Blair. I'm Head of Engineering at BMT, and we're a technology provider to the FMCG industry specialising in developing digital twin solutions. Our mission is to blend the physical and digital worlds to create innovative solutions. So the demo we have here today at the UK Digital Twin Centre is our ThermoScan technology. So this demo relates to digital twins by being the measurement layer of our measure, digitize, execute workflow. Data we gather from this ThermoScan device can then be used for quality control and manufacturing, or more specifically for the digital side of things, we use it in our simulations. So we create simulations of the bottle blowing process, and we feed the temperature profile into those simulations to make sure that simulations are always grounded in real world data, so that the results we get from those simulations are reflective of what reality looks like. The problem that this technology addresses is the lack of data that is available within industry. Sometimes what we see is industry does things a certain way and have done for years, but oftentimes what they lack is the data to explain why it works or why it doesn't work. So while we're focusing on the packaging sector and we're focusing on key temperature measurement, the principles of this is you need to know where you are and measure it before you can look at optimizing it. More broadly speaking, this workflow I've mentioned, measure, digitize, execute, is open to any sector. So we've actually then looked at moving this measure, digitize, execute framework into the defence industry through our partnership with the Digital Catapult Centre and the Kayla, who are working in the lightweight, flexible personal body armour space. Prototyping is very expensive, it's very destructive, and so if they could do more in the virtual space before having to commit to designs in the physical space, it saves an immense amount of time and an awful lot of money. So there were obviously technical challenges to develop the solution, but sometimes the mindset within the industry is the most difficult one to overcome. In terms of what was unexpected when developing this, it was really looking at the breadth of what a digital twin could be. So we applied to have our demo hosted at the UK Digital Twin Centre. It was born out of the Smart Nano programme, where we entered into it just to see what was out there in terms of digital twin support, and we got a lot of really useful insights on how we develop digital twins, how we expand them. So being hosted in the centre is a massive benefit. What we do at BMT and really how we help the packaging sector. But equally then it also helps to show how transferable our digital twin technology is to other industries. I think one thing we could really help organisations who are embarking on their digital twin journey is to really show them what we recommend doing, but equally what we recommend not doing. It's easy to sometimes overestimate, or underestimate I should say, how difficult it is to build a fully functional digital twin working system. We really want to try and educate and inspire people outside just the packaging sector. So the best opportunity really through some of the cohorts and programs we've been involved in is getting the opportunity to educate those in defence, maritime, aerospace and beyond on digital twin technologies and what a really agile local SME is doing in this space.